Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called repurpose.io. So this will help you automate your content workflow. So one post you can push into multiple platforms. You can focus on creating great content with repurpose.io. You will be able to expand your audience with ease and save time by this integration. So you can quickly build your omnipresence by repurposing your content directly from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Zoom, Google Drive, Dropbox, audio podcast into unlimited pieces of content optimized for each platform. So it will automate everything, not outsource. So you can skip the hassles and costs of outsourcing a social media agency. You can easily set up your template based on the system to automatically publish or schedule your content when and how you want it. You can get step-by-step videos and live chat support, which will guarantee your assistance. And you can set up it in no time. It is useful for different types of content creators, and it is affordably priced. So if I look at the prices, so it costs you around $15 per month if it is billed monthly, and at an yearly subscription it costs you around $12.42 per month. So there is a simple pricing also which will allow you to publish 10 videos for free as part of the trial. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.